brand new.
What's good, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back in with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Apple AirPods Pro 3. You can get those on Apple's website, all the big banks, retailers, and all that other good stuff, just like in all my other videos. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Apologize for the jank in advance. I'm getting ready to crack them open and then head straight to the gym, and I'll let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, my little first impressions. So we're going to go ahead and crack it open. We're gonna see what they're working with. Apologize, I'm doing a little one-hand situation because my camera set is not all good right now. So yeah, so just like, you know, nothing too really to write home about, you know, with Apple's packaging, you know. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't think there's no cable in the box or anything like that. I think you just get just the AirPods, but we'll just check them out. You know, I know all the little big YouTubers already had it. Usual books, shout out to the homie. And here they go. I don't think there's nothing else up in there. So what you do get is the tips. So I know from watching some of the other videos, you get 4 sets of tips this time. So here you go. And the other one just rolled over there. Bam, so you get 4 sets of tips. For the first time ever, they have the extra small tips. So I think you get 5 total. And here they go in all its glory. All right, here we go. And the case is slightly bigger than the AirPods Pro 2. So the AirPods Pro 2 will not work in these AirPods Pro 3 case. There is no pairing button this go round, but to pair, you just tap up under where the little sensor is. This time it's inside the case itself. So if anything changes, you'll know that's what's going on. I've heard that there's a new speaker and things like that, USB-C for Find My. Crack them open. And then as you can see, here we go right there. And here they are in all their glory. So I believe these are with the large or medium tips and stuff like that. There's all the gaskets and things of that nature. I have smaller ears, so I'm probably gonna use the smaller version right there. But I'll get these all gemmed up and I'll go to the gym. And then, yeah, then we'll go from there. So talk amongst yourselves. Shout out to the homie. Yeah, so I'm in the lab right now. I got the AirPods in. I'm not sure how they sound, but you guys tell me. You know, there's only one person playing ball right now. So, you know what I'm saying? You tell me how they sound and all that good stuff. So I'm about to work out in them. You know what I'm saying? And let y'all know. Got the weight vest on. You know what I'm saying? About to get it in. So let's see what it do. So I've been working out for about 45 minutes. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got the shakage going on. You can see they secure in my ear. I would say, like, with the new ear tips, they're amazing. And I love that they have multiple sizes. So if you ever had struggles with keeping earbuds in your ear and things like that, as you can see, I got small ears. I've never really had a problem, but I do know some people have smaller ears than me, or smaller ear canals, or whatever it is. So yeah, man, I mean, I'm loving them. The spatial audio is good. The noise cancellation is good. Hopefully you guys can tell me if the mics are good. You know, because again, I'm just fresh face out the box. You know what I'm saying? And so just so you guys can see, I have a bid, things like that. All around, everything's working. So, I mean, what can you say? I mean, everything kind of works. So, hey, I recommend them. You should pick them up. So, hey, it is what it is. You guys take care of each other. Peace.